In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free space in Zoho Mail. We'll walk through where to check your storage and the simplest way to clear it so you can keep your inbox fast and your account within its limit. Start by opening your browser and going to mail.zoho.com. Sign in the way you normally do and give the inbox a moment to load. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile icon, usually a small circle with your avatar or initials. Click that icon to open your account panel. In this panel, scroll down until you find the mail storage section. This area shows how much space you've used and how much is still available. It's helpful to keep this open or come back to it as you clean so you can see your progress in real time. If your usage is near the limit, prioritize the biggest items first so you make the most impact with the least effort. To free space, focus on removing messages you don't need anymore, especially those with big attachments. Start in high traffic folders like your inbox, sent items, drafts, and any custom folders where you tend to store conversations. Look for emails with a paperclip icon or large file previews. Those usually take up the most room. If you have long threads with repeated attachments, keeping only the most recent message you need can save a lot of space. When you're ready, select multiple messages at once using the checkboxes and delete them in batches. If you're unsure about a message, open it to confirm what's inside before deleting. For important files, download the attachment to your computer or cloud storage first, then remove the email to reclaim space. After you delete a batch, revisit the mail storage indicator to see the impact. Depending on your account settings, storage may update right away or after messages are permanently removed, so don't worry if it takes a moment. Repeat this process across your other folders, especially sent items, where copies of large files you've sent can quietly add up. A few focused minutes clearing out old newsletters, outdated notifications, and duplicate attachments can free a surprising amount of space. That's all there is to it. Check your mail storage from the profile menu, then delete emails you no longer need. Build this into a quick routine every few weeks to keep your mailbox tidy and prevent storage warnings. Allow a short moment for changes to sync across devices. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting that space back.